Hello from Port Everglades. Ryder, where are we? Where the ships are, yes. We're at the Port of Everglades, Fort Lauderdale, going on Oasis of the Seas, Sunday, March 15th. It's spring break. So this is, he's in fourth grade now, so we've been on a cruise every spring break since he actually was in kindergarten. So 6-night cruise. It was the exact itinerary we did last year on Freedom, but it got changed because Gravity got canceled. So we're doing Nassau, Sea Day, San Juan, which we're probably going to stay on the ship, and then Dominican, and then another Sea Day. So anyway, fortunately, there is parking today. So the parking, same terminal that we left in November on the Liberty, but that was a Friday to Monday, and the parking lot was full. So what I heard is that usually the parking lot it stays full on the Mondays and Fridays. They park elsewhere. So fortunately we were able to park right by the ship. Now we're gonna go check in. So there she is. There's the Oasis, and it is 1:10. Our check-in time was 1, so we did pretty good. So it is now 1:22. So it took 12 minutes and we're walking already on. So super fast. And we didn't even do express boarding because I forgot to upload pictures. And when I tried to do it this morning, it was too late. So, but it was super fast.
I'm on a boat.
Go ahead. What'd you do?
First minute of the duck.
First minute of the cruise, and you got a lucky duck. Let me see him.
Yeah, that's actually a really cool duck.
Cool. It's on the Royal Promenade. You know, having come on Freedom last year, it's definitely feels different. We're so close to the solarium. So we are on deck 14, and so now this is deck 15. We're gonna go to the Windjammer. We already got our room, dropped off what bags we brought. It's kind of a crappy day, so we're just gonna go now to the Windjammer. Windjammer's on deck 16 and on the aft. All the foods are usually on the aft. How was lunch, Ryder?
Yummy,
How was your...
and now you have to give me
You want sprinkles? Okay, let's see if the sprinkles is open. So Windjammer wasn't too bad. I think it closes at 2:30, but it wasn't too bad for first day embarkation. First sprinkles of the cruise. And I'm getting my
counter right there.
Yep. And then I'm getting my first passion spritz of the cruise. How is it? To Adventure Ocean, and this is the line. It goes out. It's like by the elevator for registration for Adventure Ocean, which is good, I guess. It's good that people are registering in advance. It is a spring break cruise, and this is where they do the little puppet show. Pretty sure this is where they play like Gaga Ball. Ryder's already found one of the little games. So here's some video games, PlayStation, foosball, and then here's a little art room that they have. So this is for the ages 6 to 12. So we are just leaving port. And you can see we are just below one of the overhangs, so which is fine. It's actually nice because it doesn't make our balcony so wet, but it is raining. It's been raining. It is 5:45. We actually got off a late start, not because of the weather, but because they were waiting for some shipments of something. But yeah, beautiful. We get to look at the people that own private beach, and this is Fort Lauderdale. Not as pretty as Port of Miami. Once you start leaving, it is, and it's a much shorter pier or port. But yeah, let's get on to sea. We're gonna get ready for dinner soon. So obviously it is nighttime now. It is 6:30. We are doing main time dining or regular dining. We're doing the second one, which is at 6:45. So we actually have our table and everything, and we're gonna see if we can take some pictures and then go to dinner. Who has joined us for dinner?
I want the bread.
Yes.
I cannot have the bread.
He wants.
I'm not behind bread barrier.
He loves my gluten-free bread. Are you excited to be with us at dinner? And what'd you order?
Water.
No.
Steak.
Steak. And what else? What are you gonna have for dessert?
strawberry ice cream.
Strawberry ice cream. So, we're excited that you're joining us. Gonna have a steak or shrimp cocktail, and then if he doesn't eat it, I'll eat it.
Dad is doing
I'm also doing a steak, and then yeah. So what the plan is that the kids club opens at 7. So we're coming at 60. We're coming at 6:45 for our dinner. That way he can eat as quickly as possible, and then we'll take him over to the kids club, and then enjoy your dinner. But this way we still get to eat a little bit as a family. Now there might be days where we don't bring him. We'll see. But at least with this time, it's a little bit more convenient where we can do it. So Ryder got the New York strip steak. How is it?
That looks like a fatty piece.
Yeah. No, put the whole piece in your mouth. And this is the tomato soup. It is absolutely delicious. That is my gluten-free escargot. And that's the not gluten-free escargot. And Ryder has eaten his steak. And now he's working on the French fries. Yeah. I'm sure everybody knows now. So this is my New York strip steak. And what'd you get?
The fish.
The fish. Whatever the fish was. Dinner.
good.
Good? Okay. Out of 10.
Yeah, 10.
Okay?
Good out of 10. Actually, good out of 10.
Good out of 10.
Her hair body?
Look, she's got one too. So that is the line for all the kids that are being waiting to check in because it's full. So we went to drop off Ryder at the kids club and they're like, it's full. So I had to wait a few minutes. He came to the room to change, and then I went and stood in line for waiting for kids to check out. And fortunately, right before they did roll call, which is where they kind of shut down for 10 minutes, 15 minutes while they count all the kids, I was able to, 2 kids were checking out and there was one other kid in front of us. So we were able to get in. Well, there was a line. So spring break cruise, a lot of kids. We noticed from check-in this morning, everybody getting in. But we were able to get them in, thank goodness. And it is now 8:15 and we're gonna go get a drink, and they're showing the Academy Awards. The Academy Awards are happening right now. So we're gonna try and see if we can watch the Academy Awards a little bit. I don't know if I watch it that much, but in the Royal Theater, so be fun. And that's it. So we were gonna go to the promenade, and then I was like, oh, let's go to Central Park. We'll walk down Central Park. It's raining. So fortunately we were on the side so we're in the forward, which is where Vintages is. And so we came into Vintages, which is actually why I wanted to come up here, because I wanted a nice glass of sparkling wine. And it's empty because it's raining, so no one's on Central Park. So it worked out. And we haven't been here. It's really nice. We got the big chairs. Really nice.
And we own the place.
Yep. And he likes tequila, and they do have some tequila, so he just wants to get a tequila shot. So, yeah. And they do have umbrellas that you can walk across, but it's really slippery. So, maybe we won't walk across. Maybe we will. I don't know. So we just came to the theater. Not many people here. And I guess it's a commercial break because it's a very long commercial break.
Every year we acknowledge the loss of great artists in our industry.
The most depressing part of the show.
Tonight, we are faced with the passing of some extraordinary giants of film.
So first day of Oasis of the Seas has been great. I just went to check in on Ryder, and it is a super long line, and there's a lot of people waiting to check in and some people waiting to check out. So I was just like, I'm sure he's fine. And we are testing for the first time for him to do checkout. We're very close to the kids club, so that's good. But this is going to be the first time that he can check himself out. Let's see. Let's make sure he makes it home. But other than that, it's been a great day. It was really cool seeing the Academy Awards in the theater. It kept cutting in and out a little bit. So, and I really don't watch it at home, but I liked that portion of it because it was cool to see. Well, I won't say cool to see. It was interesting to see, that portion. It was good. Other than that, the Aqua show was canceled tonight. They moved it to, we didn't have any shows tonight, but they moved it to the 5th night. So the Aqua show, we didn't miss it, and I'm glad we didn't have it booked because it got moved anyway to day 5. So, but yeah, it's kind of a rainy day. Hopefully tomorrow we make it to Nassau. Last time in November we skipped Nassau because of weather. So hopefully we don't skip it and we actually make it to Royal Beach Club. So with that, if you like this video, click like, click and subscribe. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Bye everyone.